Hello, this is a video about Marble Machine 3. These intricate wooden pieces were made using miniature power tools, saws, sanders, and drills. The gears were first turned on a lathe, and then the teeth cut out on a bandsaw. This is the starting chute. The marble catcher on the left end of the lever is raised about an inch by the weight on the right end. It goes up when the marble hits the release. This shows the marble raising to the top of the small ramp. This ramp leads through a tunnel in the base of the reversing ramp. Exiting this tunnel, the marble enters the Ferris wheel, which lifts at about 6 inches. The Ferris wheel bucket drops the marble at the top end of the reversing ramp. Watch what happens when it gets to the bottom of the ramp. The right end of the ramp, being lighter now, goes up and the marble rolls to the left and off the back of the ramp. When the marble goes off the back of the reversing ramp, it goes down a steep little ramp which gets it started climbing the anti-gravity hill. At the top of this hill, it takes a circular ramp and enters a cage on the big wheel. The cage swings to the top of the wheel, exits, and enters a small elevator. When the elevator stops, a hammer hits a peg, sending the marble down a narrow track. It starts a time delay, releasing the big hammer. Here is the time delay that releases the big hammer. This drives the marble up a long, curved, uphill ramp. At the top of the curved ramp, the marble returns to the right on an upper level track. This track leads to a platform on the top of the scissors jack. The jack raises and the marble rolls onto a still higher track, which leads to the 6-track ball lifter. The ball lifter leads to the marble shooter, which sends the ball up to the summit. When the marble enters the shooter, it stops at the outside of a vertical curving ramp. When the shooter is set, this cylinder contains a magnet and is drawn to the marble. A weight at the top is nudged to the left, and the magnet slings the marble over the top and up the hill to the summit. It then starts down, entering a 24-channel gate. This provides 24 different downhill tracks starting from the top. This is the counterweight lifting mechanism powered by the 21-pound lead weight. Here is the counterweight going up in its elevator. Thank you for watching.